It is 9:12 this morning. Welcome back. According to the Indiana Youth Institute, in 2022, suicide was the second leading cause of death among 10 to 14-year-olds and the third leading cause of death among youth ages 15 to 17. This September, we're raising awareness for suicide prevention. Megan Bannett with the Indiana Center for Prevention of Youth Abuse and Suicide joins me now to share more on how we can help and step in. Megan, it's so good to see you, and thanks for being here this morning. Let's talk about the facts. What is the average number of youth suicides each week here in Indiana?
In 2022, we lost on average one person per week, young person per week here in Indiana as a result of suicide.
Wow. And for those who don't know, there's actually a wide variety of reasons for this. Let's talk about that.
Yes. There's a lot of different reasons. It's really case dependent, what that person is going through. There could be situational risk factors. There could be issues related to an epidemic of loneliness that we're experiencing here in our country.
And a lot of that is during COVID.
Yes, COVID really accelerated that. We were seeing more interactions, social interactions, moving online, and it just accelerated it, especially for our youth.
So what can we do as people within our community to help?
Well, some of the risk factors related to suicide, or I should say resiliency in the face of it, pertains to a sense of connection, belonging, and community. So when we think about how our communities are set up, thinking about creating spaces where people can interact together and create those rich social interactions, reaching out to people and having conversations about suicide is also a key factor.
And your organization offers not only help, but training. Talk about that and how that all works.
So we offer free trainings every month for adults. Most of them are virtual, so it doesn't matter where you're at. You can participate from home or anywhere across Indiana. And we offer QPR, which stands for Question, Persuade, Refer, which teaches adults how to have conversations if they have concerns for someone in a way that's compassionate, and how to connect them to more intensive support if they need it.
That's incredible. And speaking of support, with the NFL season starting, with Colts playing the Texans this weekend, you're teaming up with them with Kicking the Stigma. Talk about that a little more.
We were very lucky to receive a grant from the Colts Foundation through their Kicking the Stigma initiative, which focuses on mental health. So for the entire month of September, if anyone contacts us to bring our youth education program into their school, we'll offer it at no cost. And anyone who schedules QPR for adults, of course, that's free as well.
That is incredible. And for those who are watching and who may be struggling or know someone who is struggling, what advice do you give them?
I say have conversations. Sit down and ask things how things are going. Let them know that you care. And that you're just worried about them, and be persistent. If someone doesn't want to speak, then that's fine. Have more frequent follow-ups with them, and just try to let them know you're there for them, whatever is happening.
Megan Bannett, thank you so much for being here with the Indiana Center for Prevention. We appreciate it so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
If you or someone you know who is facing thoughts of suicide and are looking for help or someone to talk to, you can call the number 988. That line is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can be connected with a trained crisis counselor. You can also head to fox59.com/links, and we will connect you with the Indiana Center for Prevention of Youth Abuse and Suicide.